आज जो मेरी गेस्ट है ना, उनका नाम है मेजर गीता अधिकारी।
आर्मी में इन्फेंट्री क्वीन ऑफ द बैटलफील्ड कहलाई जाती है। आर्मी में आर्टिलरी गॉड ऑफ द वॉर कहलाई जाती है। आर्मी सर्विस कोर इंडियन आर्मी की बैकबोन कहलाई जाती है। अगर ये यूनिट ना हो तो कोई भी इंडियन आर्मी का सोल्जर मूव ना कर सके, फाइट ना कर सके, सरवाइव ना कर सके। शी इज फ्रॉम आर्मी सर्विस कोर।
हर डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट का ड्रीम होता है व्हेन दे विल स्टेप इन एकेडमी की फीलिंग का पहला स्टेप, पहला कदम।
सबसे पहले तो वही चेंज करा है, वही फीलिंग आ गई बिकॉज हमको सारे फौजी लेने आए थे, चेक करने आए थे एंड वी वर ऑल सिटिंग इन द आर्मी बस।
ओके।
एंड द मोमेंट यू एंटर्ड ओटीए चेन्नई, राइट, वहां सबसे पहले व्हाट हिट मी वाज आई डिडंट रीड ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी, आई रेड सर्व विद ऑनर। तब लगा कि भाई हो गया है। There was an incident wherein the enemy country had lobbed grenades, a very cowardly act. The troops were sleeping. तो उस टाइम पे किया when we were not ready. We were told in Srinagar that this has happened. Please be ready at the hospital to receive. We went there at around 11 o'clock at night at the hospital to wait for the convoy to come. और रात का 1 बज गया। And then उतरे वहाँ से बंदे जो मतलब 6'2", 6'3" feet के बड़े बड़े बंदे, they are in tears. As their leader, you have to calm them down. You tell them that you take rest. We are going to take on. तो जैसे उस ALS हमारा जो 7.5 टन ट्रक होता है जो कॉन्वॉय में मार्टियर्स लेके आ रहे थे, द मोमेंट दैट टेल बोट ओपन वी वर जस्ट एक्सपेक्टिंग कि हम बॉडीज रिसीव करेंगे, बट इट इज सो अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट ऑल दे हैड लेफ्ट वाज विद लम्प्स ऑफ बॉडी कवर्ड विद स्टेन। लम्प्स इतना सिर्फ वाइट बेडशीट में रैप करके।
So your father was in army. Do you ever feel आएंगे नहीं आएंगे? You being 4th generation officer, your great grandfather was in British army. When at the age you realize कि मेरे पास ना एक legacy है और मुझे थोड़ी संभाल के रखनी है।
समझ लो कि आई एम द लिस्ट ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ जो मिल जाती है वो खुशी दे देती है, चीज नहीं मिलती तो EQ दे जाती है, इमोशन खुश। हाउ यू डू इट, हाउ यू डेवलप योर माइंडसेट, क्या होना चाहिए सक्सेस ऑफ इंडिया का माइंडसेट।
सुनने में आता था, ये मूवीज में दिखते हैं कि डेड बॉडीज रोज ही आ रही हैं। You have seen by your eyes.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me here.
That's a very firm handshake, ma'am. Here we are, my friend. Okay. So, ma'am, you being 4th generation officer,
Yes.
your great grandfather was in the British Army.
Yes.
When at the age you realized कि मेरे पास ना मतलब एक legacy है और मुझे थोड़ी संभाल के रखनी है।
मुझे लगता है बचपन से ही पता था because
At what tender age?
I would say even at the age of 5-6 because we have a family Hall of Fame wall.
अच्छा।
जहाँ पे हमारे great grandfather,
हाँ।
my grandfather was also in the services. My father's photographs. So we've been seeing that,
Okay.
and we've been seeing our father
हाँ।
on the uniform every day. तो हमें बहुत पहले से ही पता चल गया था कि there is a legacy that we own. आगे ले जाएंगे नहीं ले जाएंगे उतना नहीं पता था बचपन में,
अच्छा।
but we were very very much aware of the legacy.
अच्छा, बट when you realize मतलब आपके फादर ने कारगिल में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, श्रीलंका के ऑपरेशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, you realize he's just not a papa.
So at that point of time, the army and its camaraderie was next level. Why I say that is because we had all the officers and families come home. We used to go to their homes. So there were times when I used to overhear my father speak with his colleagues, with his seniors, juniors, the intensity of talks.
अच्छा।
To be honest, कि मतलब tactical plan बना रहे हैं। Of course हमें इतना समझ नहीं आता था,
ठीक है।
but that's when you realize that when they are passing orders, when they are talking about something so larger than life, is then you realize that he's not just a father, he's a soldier first. And more importantly, I think we've seen him go to field location. We've known his stories of Kargil or Indian peacekeeping force in Sri Lanka.
अच्छा।
That itself makes you feel कि भाई, I think he's a Superman. So
अच्छा, पर कारगिल की स्टोरीज क्या बताइए फादर ने, कि जितनी हमने देखी हम तो शेरशाह मूवी या कहीं से देखी है, व्हाट्स द फादर स्टोरीज।
So my father is a retired officer of the Army Service Corps, which is the logistics department. I would call him lucky that he was a part of this Kargil war.
ओके।
He's told us many stories और हमें बहुत vividly बहुत सारी चीजें याद हैं.
अच्छा।
But maybe I would like to tell you one particular one because it is a very emotional thing for him as well. So as a logistician, our job is basically to provide rations, fuel, transportation, basically provide the service and keep the infantryans comfortable. So my father was in charge of fuel, of course, apart from rations. So he still remembers that he was supervising the, uploading of these trucks with fuel barrels and सब arms, ammunition सब वो load करवा रहे थे. यहाँ से ये गाड़ियां रेडी थी जाने के लिए to replenish the Infantarians, और वहां से there's another convoy coming, so they expected that maybe troops are coming back, but at that particular time they still he still remembers the number 46 martyrs and the bodies had come back. So that hit him very hard, because as a Joshila officer, all of us are, we are just willing कि यार कब मौका मिले, but जब मौका मिलता है ना, there are those moments sometimes it hits you that यार, you know, you're in the real deal.
At 1999, what will your age, ma'am? क्या एज होगी आपकी?
I was 11 years old.
11 years. तो ना, with all due respect to all the martyrs, but सुनने में आता था, ये movies में देखते हैं कि dead bodies रोज ही आ रही हैं.
Absolutely.
You have seen by your eyes.
No, not at that point of time, because at that time I was in boarding school. So already far away from home.
हाँ.
And then you listen to such instances on TV. And then father was in a location, and of course war zone में phone कौन कर रहा है, किसके पास इतना time है. So that uncertainty, you know, at the same time that pride, like I still remember my classmates used to, everybody so sweetly would come and say that, you know, we are so proud of you. So that sense of belongingness here in some or the other way, through my father, we are also connected to that war. So I think that's a feeling that maybe I can't express in words, but वो थोड़ा सा डर रहता था.
हाँ.
Of course, I'm just a young child.
मैम फोन का इंतजार तो रहता होगा.
Of course. और बोर्डिंग स्कूल में संडे के संडे घर में फोन कर सकते थे.
बस.
So there were Sundays when dad wouldn't have called my mom because he never got an opportunity. So there were weeks when we would not know what is happening. But then that faith was stronger, not just in God, but also in the armed forces. कि सब ठीक होगा, and one day when that call comes, it'll be for some great news. And that's what happened.
With all due respect, हमने ना जब movies में या news में देखते हैं, we see the last scene of martyr receiver to the family. But from battlefield to reaching the family, होता क्या है? How do you able to receive that person? मतलब उस dead body वो आती कैसे है?
So, fortunately, unfortunately, I was also part of this, because as an officer, you are overall responsible for the entire welfare of your troops. It's not just their training, it's not just doing the day-to-day routine or war, but also back at home, the families. So one such incident, why I remember this vividly, is I was posted in Srinagar, and I was fortunate that I was with one of my course mates. And this is one of the most challenging incident that I think I have had in my service. Was there was an incident wherein the enemy country had lobbed grenades, a very cowardly act, of course. The troops were sleeping. So, us time pe kiya when, of course, we were not ready. Whatever, I'll not speak too much about it. But when we were told in Srinagar that this has happened, please be ready at the hospital, military hospital, to receive and do the last rites and other formalities. So being very honest, me and my friend, we went there at around 11 o'clock at night at the hospital to wait for the convoy to come. और रात का 1 बज गया. वेट किया फाइनली जब गाड़ियां आई, तो सबसे पहले द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई रिमेम्बर, सो आई एम 5'1", आई एम अबाउट माय हाइट, ओके, एंड देन उतरे वहां से बंदे जो मतलब इट वाज अ पंजाब यूनिट, 6'2", 6'3" फीट के बड़े बड़े बंदे, दे आर इन टीयर्स. ऑफ कोर्स यू लॉस्ट योर ब्रदर. मतलब फर्स्टली दैट इज माय मोमेंट टू स्टेप अप एज देयर लीडर. यू हैव टू calm them down. You tell them that, you know, you take rest, we are going to take on. तो जैसे उस ALS हमारा जो 7.5 टन ट्रक होता है जो कॉन्वॉय में मार्टियर्स लेके आ रहे थे, the moment that tailboat opened, we were just expecting कि हम bodies receive करेंगे. But it is so unfortunate that all they had left was with, you know, lumps of body covered with stain. Lumps, इतना सिर्फ white bedsheet में wrap करके आया.
But छोटे pieces.
Grenades lob हो गए थे. It's a very devastating, unfortunate thing. What I'm saying is that moment it actually hit us कि भाई this is it. So I think, and I'm somebody who's genuinely an emotional person. I'm being very honest. Despite being a soldier, I think I would feel any feeling very deeply. I cry for a hero who dies in the movie. But that time I knew something had to be stone-hearted in me. So I stepped up. I told my friend, let's do what we have to do. So right from, I still remember, from 1 o'clock at night till 4:30, all we did was, like you said, what is the formality? You are preparing the tricolors which have to be wrapped. उनका ऑर्डर गया रात को, कॉफिन्स बन रहे थे, कारपेंटर को बुला के उनके नाम लिखे जाते हैं. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब सच स्मॉल डिटेल्स, उनका डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हो रहा है, फैमिली वालों का नेक्स्ट ऑफ किन का नाम क्या है, घर जाके फोन करना है ना. दीज आर माइन्यूट थिंग्स. यू आर ऑलरेडी नॉट ओवर व्हाट जस्ट हैपेंड, है ना. इमेजिन टू मेक दैट कॉल. तो मे बी दीज आर द थिंग्स पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ, बट वो सब करते हैं बैठ के. एयर इंडिया की फ्लाइट्स बुक होती है बिकॉज दैट्स हाउ वी सेंड द बॉडीज बैक होम, है ना. सो these are the so-called last formalities. और तब तक of course by next morning that unit had come, जिस जहाँ पे इंसिडेंट हुआ था, everybody had come for the final war memorial last ride. But इस बीच में जितना कुछ हमसे हो पाया, we did that.
मैं आज क्वेश्चन,
Yes please.
मैंने जब ये इमेजिन किया कि लमसम बॉडी पीस उगा होंगे और मी अगर मेरे फैमिली में से कोई आता, मैं कैसे डिपेंड होंगे मेरा है.
That was my,
कहते तो मैं मानूंगा ही नहीं यार.
that was my exact question. That बंदों से भी हमने ये पूछा, आपको कैसे पता है. So all they were saying कि साहब हमें नहीं मालूम कौन कौन है, बट जिसके बेड के पास जो मिला साहब हम वो मान के चल रहे हैं. So can you imagine that feeling for a boy who's just lost his brother, कि साहब ये मेरे साथ में सोता था या ये मेरा बडी था साहब.
मैम आप घर वालों को ही नहीं कन्विंस कर सकते कि ये हुआ है.
So the doctor exactly said the same thing to us, that please wrap it in a way that they're not able to open, and they just do the last ride with that closed pack.
This look like a body but it's not a body.
Not really look like a body. They were told what had happened. They just said, do not try to open it. It is not something that you want to see your loved one as the last memory. So this is what the hospital staff was doing, and we were doing the other, you know.
मैम बट विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, अगर मुझे ना एक बार भी टच करना है तो मैं चाहूंगा आखिरी बार, और मैं अगर टच करूंगा मुझे महसूस नहीं होगा तो मैं तो डर जाऊंगा. But I've seen that, but
So that's exactly what I'm trying to say, that we all give due respect and regard to what a soldier does. But I honestly say that it's a heartfelt salute to even the families. We have no idea. जो जाने वाला था वो चला गया, है ना. But जो उनके पीछे रह गए हैं, I think it's beyond words to talk even about their courage.
okay. Let's come to the next part. इसको चेंज करना है, थोड़ा ज्यादा सीरियस हो गया है. Okay, like हम लोग श्रीलंका स्टोरी, फादर से श्रीलंका स्टोरी तो सुनेंगे आप?
Yes, absolutely. So that was my birth year, 1988. तो मैं पैदा होने वाली थी और पापा ऑलरेडी श्रीलंका में थे.
1988. Okay, हाँ,
88.
ठीक है. Okay.
So again, he was very fortunate. I keep telling my father that I'm so jealous of you. यार आप कारगिल भी गए, आप श्रीलंका भी गए, मतलब it's a big thing for a soldier. So he was in Sri Lanka. That was Operation Pawan, the Indian peacekeeping force. He was there for almost 8 months.
अच्छा.
तो जो वहां पे आई थिंक जो आपको टीवी में दिखाते हैं ना कि यंग जोश टाइप लेफ्टिनेंट कैप्टन जोश में जो करके आता है ना, वो आई थिंक दैट माय फादर एंड ऑफ कोर्स हिज ट्रूप्स हैड डन. ही वाज जस्ट अ यंग कैप्टन दैट टाइम.
अच्छा.
So there are again many stories, but one story we remember vividly is that my father and his troops they had gone for an ambush लगाने के लिए गए थे.
मतलब हमला.
हाँ.
Okay.
तो वो वेट कर रहे थे कि कब आएगा दुश्मन एंड कब हम अटैक करेंगे. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट वाज सच अ डेंस फॉरेस्ट, इतनी बारिश हो रही थी, मतलब जो भी प्लान था एवरीथिंग चेंज. It all went for a toss to the extent that they even the maps that they used to carry जंगल में ना, कंपास एंड मैप्स देके नेविगेशन करके आगे जाते हैं, वो सब लॉस्ट हो गया. लाइक पानी से गीला हो गया, कंपास नहीं चल रहा है. सो लिटरली हम जैसे फौज में बोलते हैं नॉर्थ लॉस्ट हो गया.
अच्छा.
एक्चुअली हो गया.
ओके.
तो अब समझ नहीं आ रहा हम कहाँ से आए थे, कहाँ से गए हैं. बट आफ्टर 2-3 days of this, and my father was in Bihar regiment that time. Attachment चल रहा था. Though he's an AC officer, but infantry attachment was with Bihar regiment.
ठीक है.
तो बिहार में ठेकुआ. I'm sure you must know that. So all they survived in was some ठेकुआ and water for 3 days. क्योंकि they were not able to go back to their main troops. They got cut off. But the end result of that 3 to 4 day thing was they all captured 8 LTT terrorists.
अच्छा
In that ambush.
अच्छा फाइनली
So कुछ करा के मतलब somehow they figured out what had happened. End result he's like, we did not remember how we went hungry. All we remember was those 8 captured. वो photo डैड की एल्बम में आज भी है.
अच्छा
लाइव कैप्चर किया थे.
हाँ.
They were all like they had surrendered.
अच्छा लाइव
Yeah. Whoever was getting captured, mostly they were surrendering.
बट डिड योर फादर टोल्ड अबाउट दोस स्टोरीज जैसे हम ना अमजाद गए थे श्रीलंका की डॉक्यूमेंट्री एक मैंने दैट्स सम अमेरिकन जर्नलिस्ट जिसने बनाई थी. सो वी हैव सीन कि लाश ऐसे उठाई जाती है, 2 हाथ उधर से पकड़े जा रहे हैं, दो पैर इधर से पकड़े जा रहे हैं और लेके जा रहे हैं और कोई ऑर्गन गिर रहा है जमीन पे. We have seen that documentary.
I would not comment on that because what my father has told, everything was like live terrorists and they had surrendered.
अच्छा.
So we have seen the photographs of like my father and troops posing with them for the operation.
But did your father comment on the Litte, what kind of they are disciplined, not disciplined, or what kind of people they are?
Not much.
Not much.
No.
Okay.
We were more fascinated by what Indian Army did. So उसकी story ज़्यादा पता है.
Okay. ये लिट्टे जब सुनते हैं ना तो समझ में आता है ये वो भी यूनिफॉर्म वाले हैं, पहनते तो यूनिफॉर्म ही देखो एटलीस्ट. ओके लेट्स गो अहेड मैम. पिक फ्रॉम 1988 फ्रॉम योर बर्थ टू द 1999 जब ये होता होगा फादर जाते होंगे तो पहले तो फियर आता होगा ना, राइट? तो तब है ना जब जीत गए, जब वापस आ गए, फियर आपको कभी हॉन्ट नहीं करा? ये आया ही नहीं?
नहीं, I think I'll be dishonest when I say that कि कभी डर नहीं लगा.
अच्छा.
But maybe dad never used to share too much in detail about what is happening.
But he's a strict father.
Of course, he is. What I'm saying is, you don't have to tell the kids too much what is happening. At least that's how our parents used to protect us
Okay.
in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, when everything is coming on news,
Hmm.
when we are aware and we are mature enough to understand
Hmm.
this is the situation and he is going there for the protection of the country.
Hmm.
तो उस सेंस में बताना और एक fear create करना, there's a fine line. So they always made us feel like a part of that whole mission. That you guys are here, like our father used to tell us, you guys are back home, you take care of your mother.
Hmm.
तो एक sense of responsibility बचपन से आ गई कि यार पापा वहाँ हैं, let us do our bit here. So I think that fear started to die down gradually because we accepted that this is our father's life and this is our life.
Hmm.
So instead of being afraid, I'm not saying डर नहीं लगता था, but I think we would overshadow that fear with the sense of responsibility. कि नहीं, without father we'll do our chores, we'll go do our admissions ourselves.
ATM में फादर आते हैं दूसरों के, आप तो क्या बोर्डिंग होंगी?
आते हैं.
आते हैं.
Boarding, it was only for 4 years.
अच्छा.
But apart from that, क्योंकि हम आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल में भी पढ़े हैं,
हाँ, हाँ.
तो आधे से ज्यादा उनके भी फादर्स नहीं आते थे. So we were all on the same page. So we used to feel कि चलो we are all on same boat.
Okay. You love boarding or no? I love day scholar.
Boarding.
You love boarding?
Yeah. I think
How the girls boarding is?
girls boarding is a very different experience.
Hmm.
To be honest, first 3-4 months, because I went there as an 11-year-old.
Okay.
बहुत ही
Young age.
young age है और
First and fourth standard.
5th standard.
Okay, third standard.
So it's a very tender age. So already you feel that, you're away from family. Why did our parents send us so far away? And then that little loneliness in the beginning. But then you realize that all these kids are going through the same thing. So I'm being very honest, from those boarding school days itself, I think I started being even more empathetic, which has become a very core part of my personality today, that one is alone, this one is alone. And when I started speaking to my classmates, I realized that our father wants us to experience a life of a boarder. He's trying to help us experience a new, perspective towards life. But then there are classmates whose parents are either divorced,
अच्छा.
whose parents they do not have time to look after the kids. So you understand their situation of being in a boarding school and mine was so different. I think I started realizing that, I think I'm very grateful. कि मेरा purpose of coming here is such a happy one.
You went boarding by your desire or your father has sent?
My father sent us, of course, me and my sister.
अच्छा, both.
Yes,
Two sisters you are. Any brother you are?
I have 2 younger brothers. So one of that brother is in the Indian Navy, as I was
Okay.
mentioning. So me and my sister went there.
Hmm.
What I'm trying to say is that it was a little difficult initially,
Hmm.
but after that, I think those classmates, that life became your second family.
Okay.
So तब फादर यूज्ड टू मेक फन कि पहले जाते नहीं थे तुम स्कूल, अब स्कूल से वापस आना नहीं चाह रहे हो. So the tables turned.
Okay. अच्छा मैम, do you ever feel uncertainty in coming of your father? Ever? आएंगे नहीं आएंगे?
I think it was only in the Kargil war time. That's all. Yeah.
And how was the sleep days, those days?
Difficult, of course, but like I said, I was in boarding school, so me and my sister were together. So that used to give me a sense of some comfort
क्या बात
for
करते
each
हैं
other.
आप बहुत मैंने क्या पता.
I'll tell you one incident which hit us the hardest. If you remember, there was a martyr in Kargil war. His name was Major R.S. Adhikari.
Okay. अच्छा.
He was from Uttarakhand, and my father was that time Captain M.S. Adhikari.
अच्छा.
So, you know, it's just a matter of one letter, but you understand the feeling that a child was going through, that it could have been him.
Oh.
You understand? So I think that was the hardest hitting point for both of us, being far away from home. And then we knew that we are far away from mother also, we are not getting any news. So tab shayad thoda zyada hit kiya. But apart from that, I think we were more like, everything will be okay. I think
That make me.
it should be, it should be fine.
That's wonderful. Okay. Do you remember what triggered you to joining the army?
It was not a particular trigger. Like I said, I think we were growing up in that environment.
Come on, I'm sorry, I'm stopping you, but every time when you were a kid, 5वीं 6वीं 7वीं में, आप बेटा बड़े होके क्या बनोगे, ये सवाल आता है. तो इस सवाल का जवाब पहला क्लियर कब होगा? Because you don't have a B plan, right?
I never had a plan B, but I think I used to look at that shiny armor of my father's every day when he used to, and we Fauji's hold our uniform very, very close to our heart. When I say that, we prepare our own uniform. जब वो सुबह सुबह ऑफिस जाने से पहले स्टार्स चमकाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
that sense is not about कि how shiny the stars are. That's like how shiny your pride is, your honor is. So yeah, understand how important we hold कि name plate सीधा रहेगा तो बिल्कुल सीधा रहेगा. If my medals have to be of, you know, of this length or etc. I'm saying. So that is not कि वो कहीं से आ रहा है. This is like just from your heart that, you know, I wear my uniform with my pride. It's my honor. So you used to see your father get ready every day. You know, like medals लगे.
तो आयरन मैन लगता है वो.
है ना, मतलब आप देख रहे हो कि we never needed a Superman or an Iron Man. घर पे थे ना. तो जब आप सुबह हर दिन वो देखते हो, every day, even if he's coming back at night, he would be tired. He'll still sit with us and speak about the day, speak about his boys, speak about the, you know, some good stories and some courageous stuff. So then you feel, bhai,
But you mentioned on a call or WhatsApp, आप शायद बात करते mentioned that your father is a strict father. What is the definition of strict father in your eyes?
I would say, when I say strict, is in a positive way. That
अच्छा.
he, maybe because again, he's also 40 kid, he has seen that environment. I think he realized the importance of discipline in our life early on. Matlab, why I say that is because I've seen some pampered kids. I used to have kids who were more pampered and, you know, extremely loved child. Our father used to be mostly far away because of the field postings. So he knew that, you know, if I am leaving them behind, they have to be prepared for the world. And how do you do that? It's very difficult for a, you know, 10-year-old, 11-year-old to understand ki be ready for the world. So I think that core and the crux of being ready was, first was discipline. और उसके लिए थोड़ा strict होना पड़ता है. If I'm sure you'll agree with me, है ना?
You wake up at 5 and do everything. So, what do you mean exactly discipline? ना? Actually, discipline तो मैं यही सोच रहा था.
Yes, so of course, early to bed, early to rise is one thing.
हाँ.
Discipline in terms of how you treat and respect people.
Okay.
He never used to let us get away with buddy है, भैया है, कुछ भी कराओ. Like we have, you know, buddies who help us.
हाँ.
Nothing doing. It's like, this is your job, you'll do it.
हाँ.
Okay, so we are your parents. We are here to provide for you, but not to take away every pain. There are some battles you have to fight on your own. I'm talking about that discipline. Discipline is a very literal word that people take. कि नहीं फौजी है तो सुबह 5 बजे उठ रहा है, जय हिंद कर रहा है. It's not always that, because people just assume कि, like you just mentioned that, you know, Colonel साहब है तो strict होंगे. नहीं, I love to say that, you know, I think there is no one more than a soldier who feels with all his or her heart. because you've seen that, you've been there, है ना. बस हमारा profession wants us to be sturdy and be men and women of steel, but under
But what life lesson father has gave you?
many life lessons. I think he's a role model for all us siblings. I would say I learned selfless service from him. I'm being very honest, because it's not easy to take care of 4 kids. We are 4 of us. It's not easy to manage his profession and then manage home. But then every time when we used to ask him that, kabhi kabhi hota hai na, as kids you ask him ki, yaar papa, you don't love us or what, you don't spend time with us. So all he used to say that, this what I'm wearing, the stars, the uniform, I owe it to the country. That, most of my dedication is towards my duty. तो वो बहुत फिल्मी लगता है, but I have seen it. And then when you see कि यार, he's living what he's saying. So I had started to imbibe all this in myself from the childhood. तो इससे बड़ा लेसन तो मुझे नहीं लगता, एटलीस्ट एज अ फौजी, की सेल्फलेस सर्विस एंड ड्यूटी क्या होती है. आई थिंक आई लर्नड इट फ्रॉम माय फादर.
अच्छा, नॉर्मली ना फादर के साथ 2 मिनट लेते हैं, स्ट्रिक्ट और फनी क्या था?
फनी तो बहुत था. फनी से मुझे हमेशा ये याद आता है, बिकॉज आई वाज नॉट ग्रेट एट मैथ्स.
अच्छा.
ओह माय गॉड, मतलब there are stories in my home about how amazing I am at math.
तो क्या कहानी है एक मैथ्स की? बता.
कहानी यही है कि
कोई क्वेश्चन की कहानी याद आ रही हो तो?
कि father never used to bother us too much about studies, because we would generally work hard and do our bit as kids. But जब भी maths की बारी आती थी, it was a nightmare for me, because my father used to sit and make me do my homework and help me with math studies for my exams.
अच्छा.
तो एक तो वैसी मैथ्स नहीं आ रही है, ऊपर से पापा बैठ गए और ऊपर से स्ट्रिक्ट है. तो यू इमेजिन माई स्टेट. तो 4 + 4 क्या होता है बेटा? इट विल बी 2. तो मतलब यू अंडरस्टैंड, एंड देन ही विल बी लाइक, ओह गॉड, ये मतलब क्या होगा तुम्हारा टाइप्स.
So this 4 + 4 2 is a real story.
I remember some of it, but
अच्छा, कभी आपने फिगर आउट आया कैसे 4 + 4 2?
फैक्ट ऐसी है, दैट्स व्हाई आई रिमेंबर इट सो विविडली, है ना, कि मतलब इजी से इजी चीज भी पापा के बैठते आ रही है, भूल गई. तो बट दैट इज वन फनी थिंग आई रिमेंबर. होती रहती है छोटी मोटी, बट मैथ एंड मी एंड माय फादर, इसकी अलग ही स्टोरीज है.
Okay. So in the college, college की बात बाद में करेंगे. So your father was an army. Your grandfather was in which post now?
He was in the police department.
अच्छा, in police department.
Yeah.
Okay. But your great grandfather was in British Army. So I'm sure you were curious to know from your father क्या थी लाइफ, क्या थे, क्या हुआ, कि उस टाइम लेफ्टिनेंट कर्नल होना बड़ी बात है.
All I remember was that he used to tell us that it is a legacy that we are carrying on, because my great grandfather was also in the logistics department of British Army.
अच्छा.
Or my dad was in the ASC. I was in the ASC. Again, Army Service Corps is the logistics department. So this is one thing that I feel is a crazy coincidence. कि मतलब सबके सब उसी में ही है.
आपके फादर तो अपने ग्रैंडफादर से मिले होंगे ना?
Yes, definitely.
What story he told of him?
बहुत ज्यादा हमें नहीं पता है, because it was British Army.
हाँ.
मतलब उसमें तो set rules, set processes होते थे.
हाँ.
तो maybe mostly of following orders, but yes, he was a very beloved officer. Why I remember this is because after the Britishers left, we were independent. The king of Rewa in Madhya Pradesh had personally handpicked him after he got a commendation that you will be a part of my ministry of running my state.
अच्छा.
So that remember I told you the Hall of Fame wall that we have, उसमें उनका commendation भी लगा है. And so this is something that we remember, that I think he was an amazing administrator. Not just an officer.
Okay. So in the college, you were the sports, you were even in the committee. So कभी ऐसा आया कि यार something went wrong? Any question कि यार अभी handle नहीं होगा? बहुत शुरू में था ना?
College ने तो हाँ, I think I would say whether it was, so I was part of the basketball and softball team of college. तो सुबह होती थी softball practice, फिर पूरा दिन college, again 2 hours of basketball practice, फिर भी time निकाल के we used to be a part of sports committee. We are organizing this, organizing that. So I would say that was a phase of my life where you thought you are invincible. सब कर लोगे, और कर रहे थे. I mean, to my surprise, now I look back, इतना टाइम कैसे निकलता था भाई.
कभी तो लगा होगा मैम, नहीं हो पा रहा.
बहुत बार, क्योंकि so I'm from St. Joseph's College of Commerce, Bangalore. the greatest part about it is that if they have given us a responsibility of conducting the sports fest, for example,
अच्छा
zero help from the college. And when I say that, right from sponsorship to get the money, right from inviting the chief guest. Why I remember it vividly is because हमारे time पे we invited Rahul Dravid. He's from my college, by the way.
अच्छा कैसे अप्रोच किया?
Somehow, so you try to build the network, connection बनाओ. क्योंकि हमारी cricket team में कुछ कोचेस थे जो राहुल द्रविड़ को जानते हैं. I'm just giving an example.
अच्छा नहीं बहुत बड़ी बात है, राहुल द्रविड़ को ले आए आप.
है ना? तो what I'm saying is everything we had to do so that sense of organizing, sense of event management, sense of belongingness कि हमारे college का fest it has to be the best. So you see what a 17, 18-year-old is doing. कि we are speaking in public. We are going for sponsorship. जब हमें पता ही नहीं था what is sponsorship. We are going to companies, big companies that we are from this college. Would you invest or would you, like sponsor our fest? So there came a time then it gets overwhelming. ना कितना करोगे?
हाँ.
तो स्पोर्ट्स आप प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहे हो, मैचेस भी खेल रहे हो, ये सब भी चल रहा है. सो देयर वर नाइट्स व्हेन यूज्ड टू फील कि यार बहुत हो गया. बट देन अगेन यू हैव द गैंग, यू हैव द होल ग्रुप, पूरी कमिटी एक साथ है. तो वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक भाई चाय पीने जाते हैं. सो वी यूज्ड टू गो टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड चेटास. बाय द वे चेटा इज भैया इन मल्लू, मलयालम, है ना. तो दैट वाज आवर फेवरेट शॉप.
So your college in which city?
इट्स इन बैंगलोर इटसेल्फ.
अच्छा बैंगलोर.
हाँ. सो जब भी थक जाते थे या लगता था कि बस हो गया मेंटल ब्रेकडाउन, वी यूज्ड टू गो टू चेटास. वी यूज्ड टू हैव शॉट्स ऑफ चाय लिटरली, और वापस ऐसे आते थे कि भाई वी विल किल इट टुडे. सो इट वाज जस्ट एन इंस्टेंट रिचार्ज, फर्स्टली बिकॉज वी आर ऑल अ ग्रुप, होता है कि तो यू विल विन इट ऑल.
अच्छा उस पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में यू हैव बेस्ट आउटगोइंग स्टूडेंट अवार्ड. तो उस वक्त व्हाट स्ट्रगल द पीपल डू नॉट सी. बाकी की आंखों में क्या स्ट्रगल नहीं देख पा रहे हो, बाकी लोग नहीं देख पाएंगे.
So it might sound like I'm blowing my own trumpet, but to be honest, I think as a student, I was genuinely working hard for not just my studies or my sports, but also how do you contribute to the college. Because St. Joseph's College of Commerce is, at that point of time, it was the 7th best in the entire country for commerce studies. So if you're a part of it, firstly, you're lucky to be a part of it.
Okay.
Because there's so much competition, everybody wants to be there. So if you've been here, you're going to be there for 3 years. How do you leave a legacy? Used to be my aim. How do you leave a mark that you are one of them? Because हमारे alumni ऐसे है ना, like I said, Rahul Dravid.
राहुल द्रविड़ वहीं के?
Yes, he studied in our college. Prakash Raj, Prakash Raj.
हाँ.
So we have some, amazing role models to look up to. So I always used to, think कि किसी दिन मेरा भी नाम आएगा यार, fantastic alumni. And I'm the only women officer or somebody who's in the army from that college. That's why my college has been so kind to give me that, significant achievement award in 2019. It's because they genuinely honor the effort that you've put in.
अच्छा.
Even after graduating, the service that you're giving to the society. तो वो मेरा हमेशा से यही था कि do your best और थोड़ा ऑलराउंडर बनो.
अच्छा मेरा दिमाग एक फनी चीज आ रही है दिमाग दूसरी में. सो फाइनली ना अपना पीछा आपने मैसेज छुड़वा गया इसका मतलब.
Yes. 10th के बाद तो कुछ भी नहीं किया. 10th में fact my father, he never used to come to drop us to school. To be honest.
हाँ.
But math का जो boarding board वाला पेपर था, he's like, I'm just coming to tell you that this is the last time you have to do it. Do your best. I'm like, thank you for the motivation. That's it. उसके बाद मैंने कभी maths नहीं किया. I'm so grateful.
पर मैम ऐसा होता है ना, जो चीज आपने करी नहीं थी वो आपको पीछे भागती रहती है. नहीं भागी
थी, but that was only for 1 semester in first year of college.
तो कहा होगा शिट, कहा अगर फिर से पीछे आ गया.
It was manageable.
अच्छा.
Because I knew it was just for 1 semester.
Okay.
But not.
अच्छा उस टाइम लगा था कि AT-KT आ जाएगी इसमें?
नहीं.
अच्छा. Good. So in your college people have AT-KT or not because they are top college? Normal college में
नहीं, some of them do. ऐसा भी नहीं है.
अच्छा.
But it's pretty less.
अच्छा pretty less. ज्यादा ही पढ़ने वाले ना वहाँ तो. Okay. So you also represent Karnataka.
Yes.
ये क्या कहानी है? कर्नाटक किस चीज में?
So like I said, I was a part of the softball team in college. So that time softball for women was just coming up.
अच्छा.
So Bangalore was one of the.
पूरा डिस्क्राइब करिए, softball है क्या? मुझे लगता है नहीं पता होगा.
So people know about baseball.
Yes.
So softball is a very similar game. The only difference is the distance between the bases, वो सुना हो ना home run,
हाँ।
one first base, second base, वो distance में फर्क है and the size of the ball जो हम pitch करते हैं, that is different. Softball has a bigger ball और softball की pitch करने का तरीका is underarm.
अच्छा,
So baseball is like
like
this,
this.
soft is like that.
Okay.
So otherwise it's a very similar game because the techniques are same and rules are similar. So Karnataka happened because we were lucky that in Bangalore they were conducting a training camp for 1 month, and usme se whoever did well in that camp would be representing Karnataka.
Okay.
So I was one of the 2 from my college, and we were lucky that after 3 months when the team was prepared, we had the state championship.
But do you have a toughest moment at that time? कि यार अंधेरे बल पाएंगे.
Practice के time पर नहीं था because it was very exciting that first time you're representing state. But I still remember a match. So when we went to Bombay for state championship, we won the first match, second match. So we felt like we are the studs. But then our third match was with Haryana team.
अच्छा.
I am not even joking. I don't think so. I've seen any woman that sturdy.
अच्छा.
Being honest, हमको लगता था ना जैसे हम started because we've done it all. But then you see somebody who's better than you. I was like different respect. तब मुझे लगा कि no, we have to go back and actually do better. So
Okay.
that was my moment of learning, I would say.
Okay. One thing I like to say कि जब बचपन में आर्मी का टिकट हो जाता ना तो कुछ और करने का मन नहीं करता. तो मैं 12th के बाद कॉमर्स में कभी मुझे सपोर्ट ज्वाइन करनी. So that question has come in your head. करना क्या है?
नहीं मुझे I was very sure.
Join.
My dad used to tell me,
हाँ.
you're a commerce graduate. Anyway, you're preparing for the SSB. Why don't you simultaneously write CAT? तो मैंने अपने डैड को बोला no. करेंगे तो यही करेंगे. तो my dad is actually like it's always good to have plan B. I said yeah, but I'm very certain about my planning. That's why like I was telling you guys that
So you clear me first time.
yes,
अरे वाह.
I
क्या
have
बात है.
actually put in 8
This
to
is-
9 months of genuine hard work कि यही करना है. So when my SSB 5th day was over,
हाँ.
I'm being very honest. वो
हाँ.
दिल से एक आवाज आती है ना कि हो जाएगा.
नहीं बट हो तो जाएगा पर किसी ने तो बोला होगा ना फादर के अलावा. अगर नहीं हुआ तो किसी ने तो बोला होगा. तब एक बार तो मन में सवाल आता होगा ना. नहीं फिर भी कर लूंगी. आया होगा ना कुछ तो किसी ने पूछा होगा.
I was pretty adamant, but अगर नहीं होता तो plan B would have been CAT.
That only. Okay, but at that period of time, clearing the first time, you feel the start. तो और start महसूस हुआ होगा.
Start to
हरियाणा की लड़की कम लग रही है फिर अब.
this time yes, but मेरे साथ वहाँ पे भी कहानी हो गई थी.
क्या?
The moment I cleared the SSB,
हाँ.
the very next day you go for medicals.
हाँ.
That was the first time ever. Like I've just told you, you must have got the background of how avid a sports person I was.
हाँ.
I have been into physicals all my life. और जब वहाँ मेडिकल टेस्ट हुआ for the first time ever they told me I'm giving you temporary rejection because you have a hole in your left ear membrane. मतलब
ये कहाँ से आया?
exactly, I mean right now it is funny but
हाँ.
that moment was like you feel your dream shatter because it was not just my dream. My whole family has worked with me in this preparation. And when I called my father, I was like, Papa, this is what is happening. So you could sense by his silence because it's not even about my preparation, it was my passion. He सब छोड़ छाड़ के इसने सिर्फ यही किया है. This is meant to be her dream. And then when suddenly people reject you something like this, जिसका कभी पता ही नहीं था कुछ.
You ever feel in your ear?
Not at all. That's exactly what I'm trying to say. So it was a shocker for all of us. What just happened? Or ear is a very sensitive thing. So they told me that you have to undergo a surgery, get the grafting done, fix it, और जब तक ठीक नहीं होगा, which might take some time. And I had literally only 2 months left. I'm not even joking.
40 days.
So बाकी everything was clear. Only this. They still said, okay, temporary rejection. 2 months, if you can fix it, come back. I'm telling, I think that moment for me was जब होता है ना जैसे मूवीज में दिखाते हैं ना कि यार सपना टूट गया टाइप्स.
हाँ.
But then you don't give up. You like कि भाई मिले हैं 40 days, अब तो करके दिखाएंगे.
जो वो दिखा है.
And that time my father was posted in Bangalore.
अच्छा.
Immediately I came back. My SSB center was Allahabad. So I came back from Allahabad. My father took me to the command hospital. Immediately check karaya. There have been 2 people in my life at that phase who were not less than gods to me.
अच्छा.
I'll tell you why. Firstly, there was a captain of the Navy who was an ENT specialist.
अच्छा.
When he looked at my case and he saw the sensitivity of it, he literally cancelled all his surgeries planned. And he said, next day you are coming, I'll do it immediately for you. Number one. And he did it so well that after 40 days when I traveled to R&R for my, another medical board,
Living board.
though it was 80% healed. जो पहले junior doctor ने देखा था, immediately he told me and my father that, sir, it has not recovered. And you're taking a very big risk because you know how Ragda is, how the training is. She'll not be able to survive. So my father said, thanks for the opinion, sir, but we'll go to the board. So when we went to the board, of course, he's looking at the reports and then he also checked my ear. He like, no, you know what you're getting into, right? Why don't you just recover? And if you've already cleared, you'll definitely clear the next time. Why don't you go for that? So तब like I keep advising my juniors and my clients also कि वो जो शिद्दत होती है ना, it just comes out. You don't even have to pretend. You don't even have to make up things. All you have to say is, he told me, why do you want to do this? And I think I just had a monologue जैसे कार्तिक आर्यन का उस मूवी में है. I literally had a monologue that's this.
I'm sorry, monologue.
मतलब exactly क्या बोला था पता नहीं, but all I told him was that's I have not had any plan B. And not out of arrogance, out of my hard work. It has been 8 to 9 months since I've been preparing. When my father used to go to office, I used to tell him, you give me a model test paper. I'll time and do it every day. I'm not even saying alternate days. And when he used to come back, either we used to have my interview rounds or I'll make my whole family sit and suffer because I used to say, I'll give a lecture, you listen to me. Or I'll forcefully involve them, ki let's be a part of some group discussion. So you understand, my level of preparation was such that I knew that in SSB, they don't have too much of physical test training. But I would still wake up early in the morning for a 5-kilometer run every day. So I know I'm not like any other aspirant, sir. This is meant for me because I've worked hard. So even if an ounce of chance is there for me to get in now, I do not want to lose it. बाकी एक बार आप मुझे entry दे दो, sir, ये मैं देख लूंगी. So I think, again, he was my second God because he just looked at me and he signed saying, pass. And I still remember what he told me, कि I'm doing this, you have to win a sword of honor for me.
अच्छा.
So that, again, that sense of pride and honor that I'll remember this doctor's words. So sword of honor तो नहीं मिला, but I was the senior under officer of my company because I was doing as much hard work as I could because I know the value of how I've got it. So वो था एक moment, I think that it keeps me very humble कि no matter how stud you think you are, कहीं कुछ गड़बड़ होनी होती है या नहीं होना होता है, नहीं होगा, but हुआ, ultimately हुआ for me. So that's why I have always served with that gratitude and honor कि भाई I was one of the very, very lucky ones who got in how I got in.
Okay, may I ask you a question?
Yes.
Okay. When you're senior under officer, ना तो आपको पता लग जाओगे कि I am in the list of sword of honor, right? And आपकी bucket list में बन गया होगा कि sword of honor लेना है. मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ what's the mindset is, because you're mindset coach also. जब चीज नहीं मिलती है और जो चीज मिल जाती है, दोनों में फर्क ये होता है, जो मिल जाती है वो खुशी दे देती है, बट थोड़ा सा ईगो एरोगेंस दे जाती है. जो चीज नहीं मिलती तो EQ दे जाती है, इमोशन क्वेश्चन. हाउ यू डेवलप योर माइंडसेट, क्या होना चाहिए सक्सेस और फेलियर का माइंडसेट?
So with my whole life's journey, I would say mindset is it's very easy to say ना, have a positive mindset.
हाँ, चाणक्य का
है ना, हाँ, चाणक्य का कहते थे, या कितने सारे we have so many motivational speakers also कि नहीं सब ठीक है.
हाँ,
सब ठीक नहीं है. The very first thing to have a positive mindset is to firstly accept that शायद ये ठीक नहीं है. That's how you'll step up to be a stronger mindset personality. Right?
that's negative. Don't you think it's good?
I don't think so.
Why?
It is your perception, how you take it.
May I give you one perception?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
So for example, a death happened in my family, and I accept कि हाँ हुई. Now that let me take a normal person taken into depression. Then what?
See, I think this is something very extreme a thing. Let's be honest. Such a loss is only healed with time.
I just sword of honor ले लेते हैं.
हाँ, okay. Sword
नहीं
of honor.
यार.
Sword of honor again, जब थोड़ा लाइफ का परसेप्शन बड़ा हो जाता है ना,
हाँ.
Sword of honor छोटी चीज लगती I'm being very honest. क्योंकि maybe उस time not as a cadet,
हाँ
but after when you became a soldier, you became an officer, you have seen some, like we were talking about few, challenging and dark times. When you realize कि यार life and death के अलावा there's no truth. There's nothing bigger than life. I think everything seems petty. I'm being very honest.
हाँ.
तो मेरा perception ऐसा बन गया है यार, if I'm living today, if I'm able to walk, I have a good health, I have a good family, छत है, खाना है, तो aspire to do better, but then it does not make me pompous, or it does not make me कि arrogance आ गया है.
अच्छा
तो वो सिर्फ perception का management है when it comes to positive mindset. नहीं तो positive से positive बंदा breaks down, which includes me, I'm saying.
अच्छा.
I have broken down so many times, but it's how fast you recover yourself. गिरना तो बनता है सबका.
हाँ
It is humanly impossible when you say कि भाई I have never fallen.
okay
How you pick yourself up and dust yourself and move ahead, that's your mindset.
okay one interesting point. हर डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट का ड्रीम होता है when they will step in academy की फीलिंग क्या होता है, पहला स्टेप, पहला कदम हमारी फीलिंग.
That was we were in railway stations, which is
हाँ.
हमको बोला था all the cadets have to report at railway station
okay
on 10th of October
हाँ.
2009. I still remember the date. तो वहां हमको बोला था whatever uniform you come in, you have to change and then go in the muftis, the white shirt and black
what is
pants.
mufti?
Mufti is like a formal set of clothes.
अच्छा.
White shirt, black pant, black trousers with black brogue shoes. Proper फौजी वहीं से बना दिया था.
ब्रोक शू टूटा शू.
Brogue.
अच्छा ब्रोक.
So it's a type of shoe that you wear in the uniform. It's
okay
a part of the
got it
uniform. तो सबसे पहले तो वहीं चेंज कराया, वहीं फीलिंग आ गई, बिकॉज हमको सारे फौजी लेने आए थे,
अच्छा.
करने आए थे, एंड वी वर ऑल सिटिंग इन द आर्मी बस.
okay
एंड द मोमेंट यू एंटर्ड OTA चेन्नई, राइट, वहां सबसे पहले व्हाट हिट मी वाज आई डिडंट रीड ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी, आई रेड सर्व विद ऑनर. तो तब लगा कि भाई हो गया है. अब तो तोड़ देंगे डायरी.
अच्छा in OTA there are many sleepless night. Your first sleepless night was horror or समझ
बहुत हॉरर नहीं है तो तब मुझे डाउट होगा ट्रेनिंग पे.
अच्छा
हैज टू बी अ हॉरर.
अच्छा क्या था हॉरर नाइट?
नाइट तो क्या थी, वो कंटिन्यूस था, रगड़ा चल रहा था. द सीनियर सेड वेलकम टू OTA. तो सबसे पहले तो मॉर्निंग वी हैड आवर हेयर कट्स बिकॉज़ दे हैव टू बी इन जीरो कट. गर्ल बॉय दे डोंट केयर.
okay
So I think that's the first step to bring all of us down to ground zero. और फिर रात को हमने सोचा चलो यार tomorrow is the first day of training, let's do well. आते ही वेलकम टू द एकेडमी, एंड फिर जो रगड़ा हमारा 4-6 घंटे चला, कुछ याद नहीं है, होश ही नहीं है कुछ. स्टार्ट रोलिंग, ये करो वो करो. और फर्स्ट डे था, आधे तो हमें टर्म्स ही नहीं पता थे. सीनियर्स आर सेइंग डू दिस, ऑल ऑफ अस आर लाइक डू व्हाट. अब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल देयर इज अ टर्म दैट instructors or seniors use, that I don't want to see you vanish, means get lost from here or go away. और हमें समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है vanish, और हम सब खड़े ऐसे
क्या बोले?
get it, vanish. So we are again looking at each other. So वो first night कभी नहीं भूलेगी हमें, क्योंकि हम doped थे literally. You do not know what is happening.
no very first day it happened.
Absolutely, that's how they are making a mark.
हनीमून पीरियड का क्या हुआ?
कोई हनीमून पीरियड नहीं होता भाई. Why?
अकेडमी में पहला हनीमून पीरियड होता है.
Who said that?
अरे I heard of the stories.
No, you are just hearing stories. I'm telling the facts of it.
अच्छा
Because that is, I think, I really honestly feel that's how it should. You have to get the taste of what you've gotten into from day one. Remember, again, connect the dot of why I said I like that my father was strict, because वो discipline day one से आ गया. So maybe my thinking way is different, but फर्स्ट नाइट फर्स्ट डे से शुरू हो गया था हमारा.
चलो फर्स्ट डे फर्स्ट नाइट के बाद तो उनमें से कुछ तो ऐसे होंगे बोलते हैं भाई ये जगह तो ले नहीं है.
नहीं, सो every academy has they give you a period, say a month or
नहीं
so.
वो है, बट मैं जानता हूँ वन पीरियड होता है, बट सो वर्ड सुने थे आपने वो कोई बोल रहे हो कि यार ये जगह मेरे लिए.
हाँ बहुत सारे.
है?
Many people are like that. Of course, it's so overwhelming. See, I come from a Fauji family. I have an idea. There are so many people who come from civil background, जिनका कोई nobody was there in the defense. So half of them had joined after watching Laksh. I'm being very honest.
अच्छा
And I think most of them will agree with me. They get inspired. They love it so much that we also want to be like Hrithik Roshan.
हाँ 2003 की बेस्ट मूवी.
तो ऋतिक रोशन क्या मूवी में क्या था, एक वो हाँ यही सपना है तेरे, हाँ, उसी गाने में पूरी ट्रेनिंग खत्म की है भाई हमने एक साल रॉजर होके देन यू रियलाइज कि व्हाट ट्रेनिंग इज.
Okay.
So maybe for them, of course, it gets very overwhelming. But
Achha.
over a period of time, I think the design of training is so amazing
हाँ.
कि जो बंदा 1 किलोमीटर भी नहीं भाग पाता है.
हाँ.
At the end of your training, you are running a 40 kilometer run back with an 18 kg backpack and a rifle.
अच्छा.
तो फिर आप तुम सब
Man, with all due respect, you're Kaivan, very slim, पतली सी लड़की, 18 kg का वेट विद राइफल, it is बहुत easy तो नहीं होगा मैम.
like I said, and I'm saying again, stud the to the. So it's not about height. I'm telling you, the shortest Gorkha regiment के बारे में सुना ही होगा.
हाँ.
है ना? They were so amazing that the Britishers had taken a part of Gorkha regiment with
जी,
them,
जी, जी,
even after
सिंगापुर के पास
leaving.
भी, जी.
Absolutely. So what I'm trying to say is, जिगर चाहिए होता है. It's not about height. It's not about being a man or a woman.
मैम राइफल इज 3/4 of your height.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. स्टाइल है ना उठाने का. तो
Okay.
it's all in your heart.
Acha, that's wonderful. Okay, what is the pressure of being senior officer? And how did you earn this?
So it's mainly merit based. And also an all-round performance. So they have their physical tests, how early and how much you have, cleared them, your studies, that merit, and also a social merit, which is a voting, which is done by your instructors as well as the course-mates that you have. So my company we were 50 of us in one company, 50 women cadets. So overall, that's how you get selected.
अच्छा एक बात मैं पूछना भूल गया. You came through serious entry, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, commerce.
Correct.
कॉमर्स वाले का तो एक भी सब्जेक्ट सीरियस नहीं होता एक्सेप्ट इकोनॉमिक्स. नॉट रॉन्ग. मुझे उस टाइम तो पता नहीं वेटेज, अब भी कुछ खास नहीं है उसका वेटेज.
Correct. But then you have general subjects, ना? English, aptitude test.
एप्टीट्यूड नहीं है. आई थिंक तब भी नहीं था मैथ्स तो.
भी उस टाइम था.
मैथ्स था.
Yes, yes.
यू डोंट लाइक द मैथ्स. अब तीसरी बार आ गया वो मैथ्स तो.
उसके तो पढ़ाई है. But math हमारे इसमें कम होता है. Very very less. It's
अच्छा.
mainly English, general knowledge, reasoning. तो like I said, वो passion was next level की math को भी overshadow कर देगा.
अरे क्या हुआ. अच्छा हाँ, वी वर ऑन सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर. यू बीइंग बिकम ऑन द मैरिड. तो मैं सर सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर के बाद अपना खुद का टेलीफोन होता है, खुद की डेस्क होती है, खुद का रॉब भी होता है, डर भी होता है लोगों को उसका.
हाँ.
तो व्हाट्स प्रेशर ऑन
खुद
यू?
का-
क्या प्रेशर क्या होता है?
खुद का टेलीफोन नहीं होता है, खुद का डेस्क होता है,
हाँ.
खुद का रॉब होता है, I would say, but
वैसे ना आते ही लोग डर जाते हैं सीनियर ऑफिसर से.
वो तो है. So it's like commanding officer in the unit.
अच्छा.
जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना कि टाइगर आ रहा है तो जितना कम देखे उतना अच्छा है. So senior under officer for the juniors, I'm saying, not for your course mates.
ओके.
So senior under officer, you become in the senior term. So then the juniors, that batch has joined. So for them, you're like कि भाई वो दिखना नहीं चाहिए. और अगर senior under officer ने Roger किया है, which means you've done something majorly wrong. तो Rob maybe in that way, but yes, it was a genuine honor because, like I told you, I remembered that doctor's words. So I actually called back my father when I earned those tabs of being an SEO. I told him that, if at all you know where that officer is, कि शायद एक साल या उसमें posting आ गए होंगी. Please do tell him that I don't know about Sword of Honor, but in my junior term, I used to be the corporal, which is another appointment, and senior term में I've been the SEO. Please
Okay.
convey it from my side.
Okay. अच्छा मैम मुझे ना एक बात समझ में आई. So before starting this, I was an employee in some company.
Okay.
And I was being from the lower hierarchy to top hierarchy. Then I started my own. I become an owner. And I realized two phases of the life. या जब मैं था तो मेरे एक सीनियर थे भव्य सिंघल. उन्होंने कहा था doesn't matter whether you like job or not, do it with honesty.
Right.
Learn what is human management, what is human psychology, because tomorrow when you become a senior, don't do that same mistake what senior did.
Absolutely.
So tell me, junior term leadership you see, and what being a leader you have changed or what?
It's a, I think, very amazing question.
Okay.
Right? Many people don't ask and talk about this, but yes, junior term, I would say, I think I was more mesmerized with my own SEO and CSM. I was very lucky that my CSM, when she went to her first unit, I followed her after 6 months.
अच्छा.
So when I say that, I did have a lot of amazing seniors. And when I say that, not only because they used to roger us, or there's something called constructive teaching. एक होता है कि सिर्फ रगड़ा दे रहे हैं, एक होता है कि रगड़ा के साथ what they are trying to imbibe in us. So that sense of camaraderie, that sense of owning your mistake or owning that, मैंने किया है, and that sense of taking the whole team together. So there were a few seniors that I've learned from them. And when I became the senior in my senior term, especially SEO, it holds a very high regard, especially in the junior term. You ought to be worthy of that, that respect and that appointment. So I till today call myself, many of my course mates used to say कि भाई, don't be like that. You have to be,
But आपने ये नहीं बताया कि what was mesmerizing your senior है, वो तो आपने बताया नहीं.
See, my senior was firstly, I'll talk about my senior under officer. She is till today, she's still serving. She's one of the best horse riders that Army Service Corps has got. Okay, she has represented the Corps, she's represented the Army in many championships. At the same time, so I used to be very mesmerized with her conduct. Firstly, how she carries herself. SEOs to 6 the. We had 6 companies, 6 SEOs. But how you stand out, how you conduct yourself, how you teach people and try to, uplift even your juniors. Because like I said, वो tiger चला गया है, but tiger अपने पूरे जंगल को साथ लेके जा रहा है, उसमें फर्क है. So I think she was, very impactful a leader, I would say. ये होता है एक मार्क छोड़ के जाता है कोई senior. She was one of them, definitely. And then I was so fortunate, she was the one who put the taps on my shoulder. So I took over from her. So उस टाइम थोड़ा पता था SEO बनेंगे. उस टाइम यही पता था she is my SEO. But then after 6 months when she put those taps, you take that, ma'am, I will carry on your legacy. So that lessons learned, I still carry on. I used to tell her that.
What the leadership you implement, कुछ तो mistake तो अपने senior की भी होती है. मतलब उन्होंने मुझे बताया था, शुभम, definitely your senior manager will do mistake. You don't do that. But what he do right, make sure you do better than that.
Absolutely. Yeah, I think such a fantastic advice, because good, bad, ugly, jaisa bhi banda hai, you take away something from them. Either don't do what they are doing bad, or imbibe that goodness that a good leader is, has shown you. So I would say my leadership was slightly different, because I have a higher EQ. From a very childhood, I think I told you during boarding school itself, I started developing that. So my leadership was more of, I would say, an amalgamation of both tough leadership and then higher on EQ. So that helped me pave my way of dealing with not just cadets or my juniors, but also it was preparing me for future. कि ऑफिसर्स तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट एज अ लीडर हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट, है ना. एक होता है कि खड़े होके, लाइक आई सेड, यू कैन, देयर इज अ फियर ऑफ अ सीनियर, यू कैन स्टिल गेट दैट सैल्यूट, बट आई वांटेड द सैल्यूट शुड कम आउट ऑफ योर हार्ट. जय हिंद ऐसे होगा कि पूरी दुनिया सुनेगी फिर. सो दैट वाज माय एम. एंड हाउ आर यू डिफरेंट is not just by passing orders, by firstly living those orders yourself.
Okay.
So if I'm telling my juniors to give me 50 push-ups, I used to ensure that I do 100 myself.
Okay.
Not with them. I do not want to, demean the appointment that we have and give the way to juniors. But they have seen me do it, which I prove in my physical tests, which I prove in the way I run, which I prove in the position that I come in.
So in academy, how much push-up you do? क्या आपका?
Max तो 100 ही गिना मैंने.
अच्छा.
उस टाइम, but yes, मतलब 50 and all used to be like, every morning
Okay.
period में we used to do this. So that was I think next level fitness.
100 तो maintain नहीं कर पाते ना.
What are you saying? I'm telling you, like I said, right? 5'1" बंदा अगर ये सब कर रहा है, तो बाकी तो there are men who are sturdier. There are women who have killed the standards what we used to have earlier. They have changed the standards of women's fitness, you know that, because they are so amazing. So we aspire to be better every time with every batch. That's the beauty of it.
In which batch were you a woman?
So I'm SS 06, which means
6th batch of
no, 6th batch of short service commission.
Okay.
पहले WS होता था because they used to serve for 5 years and then another 5 years. Ours was SS is compulsory 10 years of service.
Okay. नहीं CDF का कौन सा बैच था ये?
CBS 2008. I don't remember.
अच्छा तो बहुत सारे हो चुके हैं आप तो वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट ओके ठीक है ग्रेट नाउ मैम लाइफ हैज कम आउट यू बिकम एन ऑथर तब सी वन पिक्चर ऑफ यू मैंने इतनी लंबी सारी किसी फादर की नहीं देखी द फादर हैड द ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट फोटो देखी है
Yeah.
सो व्हाट दैट मोमेंट व्हेन यू नो डे ऑफ पासिंग आउट परेड you choose army service corps or the bhagye ka हाथ में
No, I chose it because since I was a commerce graduate, mine was a non-technical entry. The non-technical have a few options like Army Service Corps, Army Intelligence Corps, the Ordnance Corps. So ASC तो was like घर की corps, है ना? So even when I was a child, I still remember I used to sing the corps song. क्योंकि पापा के साथ कोडे में जाते थे ना, समझ कुछ नहीं आ रहा है, but सब लोग गा रहे तो you sing.
अच्छा
I think it was in the blood. So how could I not choose
Okay.
Service Corps?
wonderful so ma'am I think if you are posting first in Assam 2011 border posting you asked for it or नहीं
First वाली तो मिलती है.
अच्छा.
It is like allotted to us.
हाँ
But the greatest coincidence was my first posting was in Dinjan, Assam,
हाँ
which was also my father's first posting of ASC.
अरे क्या बात
So of course it holds a very special place. But I just had to report to Dinjan because in forward my CEO was sending me for like I said smaller decks which we call compo platoons. The supply smaller platoons which are near to the border areas.
okay
So I was sent to a place called Lekha Pani, which was pretty close to the Myanmar border. So that was my first tenure.
okay so ma'am जब आपकी फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग असम में बॉर्डर में थी हाउ वाज द फर्स्ट मॉर्निंग एक्साइटमेंट फियर व्हाट वाज इट फर्स्ट डे इन द फर्स्ट जॉब योर
First day was excitement, no doubt. I told you I was fortunate that my CSM from academy, my senior was posted there. So I went with her for the first ever parade, which was PT parade. And there I remember she was telling me, first parade, everybody's watching you. You better prove yourself. और उस दिन जो भागे हम 5 किलोमीटर मतलब कि आज ही लगा देंगे. But it was a very exciting morning.
अच्छा
I particularly remember that.
सो आई नॉर्मली हियर द स्टोरी जब आप रेजिमेंट में जाते हैं यूनिट में जाते हैं तो आपका वेलकम कुछ खास तरह से किया जाता है प्रैंक और समथिंग
Yeah.
हाउ वाज वेलकम
Mine was still decent one, I would say, when compared to many other course mates.
सो इवन आफ्टर इवन योर्स आपको कोई फेवरेट वाला हो तो बता देना मुझे
Favorite वाला मतलब
चलिए पहले डिसेंट वाले से स्टार्ट करते हैं
मेरा तो था कि I was told
हाँ
रिपोर्ट करना था. वी वेंट टू द रेलवे स्टेशन.
जी.
वहां से कॉन्वॉय में जाना था
हाँ
तो जिप्सी के बदले हमको दे हैड सेंट अ हॉर्स
हाँ
because as army service corps we also are responsible for transportation, which also means animal transport.
करेक्ट
So the horses, mules are also soldiers.
लगा अच्छा सब
तो बोला कि एसी में आया भाई तो चलाना आना चाहिए. तो मुझे लगा जोक कर रहे हैं because आती थी हॉर्स राइडिंग.
हाँ.
लकीली थोड़ा बहुत सीखा था.
हाँ
But then it was a big horse, like in the sense sturdy big horse. और रोड में घोड़ा कौन चलाता है भाई. मतलब हमने तो हॉर्स राइडिंग रिंग में सीखा था.
हाँ
तो चढ़ लिए जब पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस दिखा दिया कि मतलब अंदर से देयर वाज अ फियर बट अब एटीट्यूड भी मानना था. तो थोड़ा चढ़ने के बाद देन दे वर लाइक नहीं चलो चलो इट्स ओके. आई वी गॉट द पॉइंट. सो notwithstanding they were just trying to test me whether I was able to take the test on or not. बट उसके बाद मेरा डिसेंट था एंड वी वर वेरी श्योर कि जो भी प्रैंक खेलेंगे जस्ट टैग अलोंग. तो मेरा उतना क्रेजी नहीं था.
अब क्रेजी वाला कौन सा याद है आपको
क्रेजी वाला तो बहुत थे. इनफैक्ट स्पेशली द वंस हु वेंट टू श्रीनगर एज फर्स्ट पोस्टिंग. तो वहाँ लाइक दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू ट्रिक अराउंड एंड प्ले विद देम दैट वैन में आए हैं कुछ लोग उठा के ले गए.
किडनैप कर लिया.
हाँ एयरपोर्ट से सीधा ही आईडी कार्ड ले लिया एंड ऑल दैट. सो ऐसे भी सुने कुछ.
हाँ.
बट मेरा वाला डिसेंट था.
Okay, wonderful. Ma'am, I have heard that border posting normally change a person for a life. It happened to you? Yes.
My border posting was not that drastic like what you're referring to. I think you're talking about that hardcore.
Because Srinagar was drastic.
It was.
उस दिन तो change किया होगा आपको
It was.
for the life.
Srinagar was one of the most challenging postings and most fruitful, I would say,
हाँ.
because जितना वहाँ सीखा उन 2 सालों में, I don't think so. You know, in rest of the service में सीखा था. So right from, like I said, you know, we were a part of the posting which was responsible for Zojila Pass road opening. वो बहुत major चीज है कि, and that is the only unit which is responsible for, like, if you know, in the winters, almost for 5-6 months, the Zojila Pass is closed, which is because of the heavy snowfall. So we are responsible for advanced winter stocking, जिसमें हम पास से आगे जितने भी troops deployed हैं, उनका राशन पानी, everything has to be stocked in advance.
अच्छा, पहले से पहुंच जाएगा.
पहले से पहुंच जाता है. तो these are all tactics that logisticians have to use. But more than that, once the summertime starts, you have to clear that Zojila Pass, which means the engineering troops, which are using the JCB and heavy equipment for clearing literally the snow, और उनके पीछे हम अपने convoy लेके चलते हैं. This is like a testing going on, whether the pass is ready for convoys or not. So I have been a part of that. I've been part of avalanche rescue, because वहाँ पे Sonmarg and such places also have avalanche suddenly coming. So to be from a unit which is responsible for this, I think it's a very big deal for a young captain who's just 3 years old in service. उसके बाद आया floods, the most.
मैं एक बार रोक लूँ यहाँ पे. avalanche में सुना है कि लोग मिलते नहीं.
Yes, और मिल भी जाते हैं तो it's just bodies. मैंने 2 देखे हैं in that tenure of mine. Unfortunately, we lost 2 of our own men, but not a great scene. But then rescue has happened.
avalanche में survival possible है?
मैंने तो नहीं देखा है, but
होता है?
हो सकता है if you're lucky, but I have not seen.
And how was the body gets?
So it's just cold. It's, you can't do
The
anything.
last expression वहाँ पर दिखता है उस बंदे का, उस face पे.
We didn't see that. I didn't see that, at least, because we were just, like I said, we were doing the rest of the work, administration work, after you lose the boys. But since we lost 2 of them, I think I would say जितना मैंने देखा है.
But avalanche में ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल नहीं होता होगा, because only avalanche आपकी current position से उठा के कहीं और फेंक देता होगा आपको.
But it depends on the cliff and the valley also. जैसे हमारे जहाँ डेक्स थे सोनमर्ग में, of course there was a cliff, the mountain, when everything comes down, गिर कहाँ रहा है, where's the debris accumulating, it depends on that.
अच्छा.
हमारा cliff was pretty, like, it was not that deep, luckily, but still I'm saying, still people didn't survive. और जहाँ it's the cliff which is almost 40-50 feet removed, then it's very.
And how depth a dead body found below the snow? 2 meter, 3 meter.
I am not aware of that, because I was not part of when the thing
Acha.
happened. But yes, after that.
Okay, so when you first heard your next posting Srinagar, I think just after Assam it is Srinagar, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So do you get a goosebump? You get a fear? You get a sensitivity? What did?
No, I was excited because I chose it.
Actually, you chose it.
The first posting is allotted to us
Okay.
from the academy. After that, of course, the posting branch, which is the MS branch, there are systems that they have that, you know, they try their best that one piece posting, another field, and how your qualification, your seniority fits wherever, they try to post us there. But my funda, I think I was overjosh type. I was like, he's starting mein field kar lo. So that, I think that's where you learn. In my opinion, that's where you learn the most. So I said, Assam kar liya. Srinagar to is a dream posting for, I would say, a very passionate soldier. So I just requested them. So they told me that you just had a field.
Acha.
So I said, no problem, sir. Like, I'm okay with it. So when they said next posting is Srinagar, I'm like, I've done it. So that's why I was more excited, because I chose it.
Okay, but if I'm not wrong, that was the toughest time of the Srinagar.
Yes.
And the peak time. हम सड़कों पे देखते हैं इंडिया को बैक लिखा होता था.
Correct.
You have seen that time?
Yes.
Was it fearful?
I would not say fearful, except for one or few moments. But like I said, remember I used to tell my father that I'm jealous of you, that you're a part of Kargil.
हाँ.
तो ये मेरे लिए शायद वो Kargil था.
अच्छा.
I'm assuming, like, you know, I used to hope कि हो गया
हाँ.
तो we'll be prepared for it. नहीं हुआ तो no problem.
And this posting, enemy is not clear.
Of course not.
Then how do you deal with it? I'm not going in detail. I'm not seeking, but जहाँ तक आप बता सकूं.
All I'll say is that I think we used to be just prepared. And that's when you have to be even more on your toes when you know the enemy is not known.
But prepare for what? You can't hit, you can't attack, you can't give a shot.
Attack is not always offensive, I would say.
But
There is something called defensive attack also. There's something called how best you use your capability, your swift decision making to, you know, if not make things better, not to make them worse. See, as Indian Army, there are certain rules, regulations that we follow. Even if, and especially when it is the own countrymen that you're dealing with.
Mhm.
So you don't cross that line.
Hmm.
So that's when your grit is tested even more, right? कि अपने लोग हैं. How do you deal with them? So I think that's when your actual leadership, your actual training comes into test.
Okay. If you do not mind, we heard mind wash on newspapers. We have seen mind wash on the ground. How they being mind washed? कैसे हो जाता है वो लोग?
I'll not comment too much on this, but see, I'll just give you a perspective. Like I was talking about how passionate I am to join the army.
Correct.
मेरा mission अलग था. मेरा mission था कि I'll join the forces of my country, which is to protect the country and the countrymen. I'll join the forces which helps me carry on my forefathers legacy.
Correct.
तो शायद किसी का mission कुछ और होगा, which could be maybe for religion, maybe for any mission. I'm not commenting on that. So जज्बा same है, just that the result, the consequence is different. So I don't think so. It's we should be questioning कि brainwash कैसे हो जाते हैं.
Again, the mindset thing I was on was right and wrong नहीं समझ में आता. मतलब हमें लाइफ में भी ऐसा होता होगा ना कि हम लोग राइट एंड रॉन्ग कई जगह पर गलत समझ लेते हैं. हाउ दे मतलब उनका ऐसा क्या क्या गलती रही इनकी, क्या राइट एंड रॉन्ग नहीं समझ पा रहा उन्हें, टेकिंग लाइफ इज रॉन्ग नहीं समझ पा रहा होगा.
Okay, let me give you a perspective. Being a soldier, I'm saying, we also take lives, isn't it?
True.
But again, there's a very fine line between what our purpose is. You are saving who's behind you. That is the right thing to do. But for somebody who's just been from the beginning shown only the negative side of something, of course they'll be inclined towards the negative. Right? So it all depends on, again, I'm saying perception and the mission and what keeps you going. It could be that the negativity that they were seeing or brainwash karna, that's their job, I think.
इतना आसान होता है क्या किसी को ब्रेन वॉश करना?
Maybe we've not gone through that, so you and I cannot comment much.
Okay.
होगा?
Okay. 2014 में श्रीनगर में फ्लड्स आए थे. What was the scenario? आप लेके जा सकते हो वहाँ पर? क्या हुआ था?
Yes. So one fine day, 11th or 12th of September 2014, I get a call at around 2 o'clock at like late night that please stay alert, open your mess, open your unit area because Srinagar camp has been flooded. So Srinagar campus is very it's very close to the Jhelum river. So the river is here and the Cant, there's just the road between.
Okay.
So of course there's the bunk, there is the perimeter and all of that. But unfortunately at that point of time there was a cloud burst, there were flash floods. Everything raised the level of the river. So suddenly at midnight or late at night, पूरा बंद टूट गया था.
अच्छा.
And the impact was so heavy that immediately everything. So my unit was at a hilltop. So we were at a height of around 4,000 feet from west of them. But pura campus, literally pura campus, which had a school, which had officers and other ranks, residential area, which had the BH, I was telling about the base hospital. Everything came under water.
अच्छा.
Within seconds of time. But then again, Forge is ready for all this. We ensured not even a single person was left behind. Everybody was taken on the higher grounds. Jahan meri unit thi. So immediately we were told that everybody from the base is coming to you. Please open the gates.
Okay.
So I had around 20-25 men with me that day in the unit. So I gathered them all. I was like, so we had a mess there. Mess had few guest rooms. Mess had a few, living areas or ante room, how we call them. We removed all the furnitures aside so that we make more space for people. First thing I told my kitchen staff was to check the stock of rations, because this was something we never knew for how long we will be stuck. So we took a stock of the rations. We took a stock of कितने गेस्ट रूम्स हैं हमारे पास, कि families को कहाँ कैसे fit कर सकते हैं. And by the time we were doing all this briefing and all that, half an hour में a lot of people came in. Lot means everybody who was there in that camp, and it's a huge camp, Srinagar camp.
So what was your first feeling after rescuing the first civilian?
Rescuing the first,
ये आपका पहला फ्लड ऑपरेशन होगा ना?
हाँ, पहला और आखिरी actually.
अच्छा.
This was the only flood, luckily.
हाँ.
But that first day we did not have civilians. It was all the families and the soldiers who were in the camp. Civilians started coming later on, from the second day onwards, because the rest of the city was also flooded. But ultimately, it's army that comes to the rescue.
हाँ.
So after we took a hold of the situation, what was happening at night, next day morning, all the civil administration, police, everybody started seeking help. So since my location was at a height, और मेरे यूनिट के आगे, मेस के आगे बहुत बड़ा लॉन भी था, so that lawn was converted into the helipad at that point of time. So I do have photos. I still remember taking photos. There are 2 Hepters or helicopters who have landed on the lawn. 2 are hovering, just waiting for them to take off. और 2 और पीछे दिख रहे हैं.
अच्छा.
That was the speed of relief and rescue material that was coming.
Oh.
But when I say that, of course, civilian rescue started from the second and third day, because everybody was being brought from the Hepters to our location. और वहां से, like I said, 1 Hepter and 1 side was only for bringing in supplies, ration and all that. 1 side was for taking the civilians, the other family members and soldiers to Srinagar Civil Airport, further उनको बाहर निकालने के लिए.
Of the camera you were telling me कि Shubham, there was a time कि उसी flood में we don't have enough food for us as a soldier. We make our sure कि हमारा राशन आगे पहुंचे.
We did have enough food. It's just that we chose to have less.
अच्छा.
Yes. Of
Why?
course, because see, we have at least a month's stock of
Okay.
at least dry ration with us.
अच्छा.
There's something called fresh ration and dry. Dry को हमेशा 1 महीने का GS stock बोलते हैं, general reserve stock, which we always maintain. That's our plan. कि contingency में काम आ गया, है ना? But लोग इतने हो गए थे. So of course, you take a step back. So I still remember we had things like dal, rice, atta, but things like milk was not there. More limited था. जितना भी मतलब whatever we could gather from our kitchens and all that, we ensured first we divided the ladies, the kids, and the elderly. और अगर कोई sick हो गया तो they were the priority. So I still remember I had a German Shepherd at that point of time, my pet. वो और मैं लिटरली एक कोने में बैठते थे, बिकॉज मेरा कमरा भी किसी को दे दिया गया था.
अच्छा.
I would just go back to my room for maybe 2 to 3 hours of just freshening up and just sitting. I used to sit with my back on the wall with my dog for just some solace कि everything is going to be okay, and then without even changing, time नहीं था ये सब करने का. So and then after 2-3 hours of some rest, then go back again and be a part of the rescue.
That's army dog. That's a civilian dog.
That's my pet.
That's your own pet. Okay.
Yeah, but he was an unsturdy boy, so I think he gave me that little strength that I needed at some points of time. But what I'm saying is khana tha, but the priority becomes different.
Is the hunger was there? मतलब भूख लगी थी आपको?
बीच में तो yes, definitely. So we used to have chikki. I used to keep it in my pocket.
अच्छा.
So instant energy के लिए,
हाँ.
instant sugar rush मिल जाता है, so then you can pull on for next 3-4 hours आराम से.
Okay.
So 1 bite of chikki, some water, 1 bite of chikki, some water, 1 meal used to have. But what I'm saying is, again, these are the things that people may not see.
अच्छा. Do you have seen that कि पानी यहाँ तक घुटनों तक भरा हुआ है?
मैं तो I am 5'1", तो मेरे तो घुटनों तक था. मतलब what I'm saying is, this is what I'm saying after the 9th or 8th or 9th day.
अच्छा, इतने दिन तक था?
और ज्यादा था. So maybe if you look at the photos, you'll see there are buildings which are 3-floored buildings.
अच्छा.
Everything was underwater.
Okay.
So gradually when I started receiving, and we started seeing certain spots where we could place these camps of distributing water and food, that was when it used to be up to me. So gradually, of course, it subsided. But what I'm saying is, though flood stayed for a week or so, but the aftermath is also not easy. we took almost a month to bring back that old cant to what it used to be.
अच्छा.
But notwithstanding, I think it was a great effort by everybody. Like, that was the time when I actually saw a general to a soldier giving as much as they have and even beyond. So that was like, you know, there were moments when you just stand and see what is happening, to absorb ki, you know, you're a part of something so amazing. As unfortunate as it was, but you know, to see that camaraderie, that team spirit, that selfless duty that I was talking about, कि भूख तो क्या है, कल खा लेंगे टाइप्स.
In the army, everything has SOP. तो फ्लड की SOP थोड़ी ना होगी.
फ्लड की SOP नहीं, बट इमरजेंसी, you know, such contingency situations की है. So we know what we have to do, but there are some unnatural things that happen. उसमें तो, like I said, that whole training and that your, you know, mindset and that swift decision making is helpful.
Okay. One more story option. I know in the starting of the podcast जैसे कि उस पर हम बात नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है? But stone painting, that was the peak time. I just want to know कि उस साइड खड़े होकर जब stones आ रहे हैं, चाहे लगे ना चाहे लगे हैं, जो भी है, what was going in the head? जितना पता.
That was again, I'll not say that, you know, I was absolutely fearless. Of course not. See, more than myself, I had.
Can we go from like the call आने से जाने पे उस location का?
We were in the location.
You already?
Yeah.
And it was surprised.
Surprised because we were helping the civilians, and then we got stone pelted at. But notwithstanding, what I'm saying is, I'll come to the main question of not feeling the fear, which is absolutely wrong. I felt the fear more than for me. It was actually for the troops, because I had 20 men with me.
Okay.
But JCO Saab and 20 boys. As the leader, the first thing that you think of, that I have to take these guys out. And I was the only officer at that point of time. So I think it hit me for the first time that, you know, like you're asking me, when did you feel that, you know, you're responsible, or your decisions are responsible for somebody else's life? I think that was the point.
Yes.
Wherein I told my JCO, he was in the front vehicle, I was in behind. So we had only 2 vehicles and 20 boys. So I told JCO Saab on my walkie-talkie that, Saab, do not stop. Whatever happens, just keep moving. And luckily, within, I think, 1 or 2, 3 minutes, we are out of there. But then we've seen something that we shouldn't have seen, and especially when you're doing something good. So that was more of a shock.
नहीं, पर क्या देखा आपने? वो तो बताओ.
नहीं, मतलब वो, it's during floods only. So 6th day of
floods के दौरान है?
Yes, we are resting, relieving, and helping everybody out. But 6th day, maybe somebody did not like it, or I don't know. Whatever happened, it was all sudden. So nobody was hurt. Nobody was injured. All of us are in our Titans, the trucks. And
I'm sure there's an adrenaline rush. जब पहला पत्थर आपके पास जाके गिरा होगा.
I was in the gadi. So to be honest, so my main concern was the safety of the men.
Okay.
So all you had to do was just take a call.
Okay.
Good, bad, वो बाद में देखेंगे. But immediately what you had to do was that action. So.
Oh, wonderful. ठीक है. Now let's come to the part which is very important. You always volunteered for the tough posting. I want to know the real reason. Why not skipping?
What do you mean by escape?
Let me be very clear. Being a girl, there is one thing which is always every month come. That's called periods. And periods can be tough to the way harder.
Yeah.
तो वो तो जितनी टफ पोस्टिंग लोग उतनी ज्यादा दिक्कत है. यू कांट से नो इन द आर्मी. मैं तो सुना है कि प्रेगनेंसी के आखिरी देर तक वुमेन्स को सर्व करते हुए देखा है. सो आई वांट टू नो कि व्हाई यू नेवर से कि सर थोड़ी प्लीज पोस्टिंग लीजिए, थोड़ा आसान दे दो या कुछ समथिंग. व्हाई देयर इज ऑलवेज गो गेटर?
Okay. To answer your question, I would say I have volunteered for field, but ये नहीं है कि पूरा 10 साल field में ही थे. Of course, I've been in Pune and Punjab. But my aim of asking for field posting was, I genuinely feel that I think we have a lot of hardcore 4G work to do in field postings.
अच्छा.
Because of the kind of, you know, terrains, the kind of responsibility you have. So I wanted to learn more faster. I was very passionate about, you know, the earlier you learn, the better you get as you become senior.
अच्छा.
My ultimate aim was
This only.
yes.
Okay. You have one posting after Pune, Arunachal Pradesh, back to Northeast.
Yeah.
What is toughest night over there?
Arunachal Pradesh was a very, in terms of,
Is it different from Assam?
yes, it is.
How?
It is. Terrain especially. So Arunachal is more hilly. We are closer to the Chinese border.
Okay.
Our decks used to be very, very close. So the logistics plans
What is
change.
that?
Detachment. That smaller unit, I would say, no?
अच्छा अच्छा.
Because you have lesser strength at the border. So you have small pockets of these service units like
Okay.
Army Service Corps, logistics, repair, engineers. At the base, you have larger units.
Mhm.
So Arunachal has been different because of, firstly, our unit particularly was looking after a very vast
Hmm.
spread area.
Correct.
So that is something I would say we had a lot more strength of officers and troops. We've had mountainous terrains with hardly any roads. So I still remember taking the convoy itself was a very big deal there at that point of time.
अच्छा.
अब तो आप जाके देखोगे, like I see my juniors now who are posted there. Along is like a fantastic place in terms of infrastructure, roads. It's very easy to reach there.
Okay.
Earlier, I think we would take at least 1.5 days to reach from our base to such places.
And how much kilometers?
Kilometers, hardly anything, but there were no roads. And
Hardly anything. मतलब 10-15 कितना?
I would say 80-85 kilometers.
80-85 किलोमीटर के लिए 1 day?
Because we used to keep halts. There's something called last light. You don't take the convoy after last light.
तो मैम 80 किलोमीटर तो 2-3 दिन तो हो जाएगा.
अब आप समझ लो. What I'm trying to say is, it is not just the absence of roads. It is also the terrain. It is a landslide prone area. It is raining there at least 5 to 6 months in a year. So, सब कुछ मिला के it's against you.
With all due respect, पैदल चलने वाला आपसे भी पहुंच जाएगा.
पर कोई चलता नहीं ना. जाना पहुंच ही है.
Okay. हाँ, तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश में गए. What's the toughest night? इस पता नहीं बताया.
Personally, there has not been any tough night, to be honest.
Or you make it easy.
Maybe, I think by then I was 7 and 8 years old in service. So, and you had seen a little bit, more. So, I was a little bit more learned and experienced. But yes, there we did have, we lost a few men in the, transport accidents.
अच्छा.
Like I said, the terrains were bad.
हाँ.
So, sometimes in convoys, the trucks, unfortunately, would just go down. So, we have lost men from our units. So, I think that hits you harder, more than a personal.
Means from the hill, वो गिर जाता है. तब मिट जाएगा.
Yes.
And that तो पहले मतलब चलने से पहले ही पता होगा वो तो आपको कि वहाँ ऐसा हो सकता है.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say. When you ask me कि पैदल चलने वाला भी जा सकता है, but कोई जाता नहीं.
नहीं तो हेलीकॉप्टर से भेज दो.
Helicopter, see, it's very easy to say that, but how much load can helicopter take? Firstly. Secondly, I told you about the climate. It's not airborne friendly, right? It's raining so heavily. Secondly, when we take convoys, the trucks, we are called 7.5 ton trucks, 10 ton trucks. The amount of load that we are carrying in one convoy is immense. कितना आप हेलीकॉप्टर चलाओगे?
Okay, one question in my head. Like I can, if I'm not wrong, मुझे माफ कर दीजिएगा. In the Pakistan border from Rajasthan and from the Pakistan border from Jammu and Kashmir, there's a big difference. Like Rajasthan का Pakistan border cross करो तो greenery आ जाएगी. Same in the Srinagar, if you cross that border, तो आपके पास hilly area आएगा, but that is very beautiful, like a Switzerland-like area. So, what exactly is the area in China once you cross Arunachal Pradesh? Is there उनका आसान है हमसे?
Not really asan. I see terrain is almost similar.
अच्छा.
It's mountainous. Right? So, I would say I have not crossed. I have not crossed the border,
But
but
I'm sure heard also.
yes. So that's something. It is all mountainous. It's just that maybe their infrastructure could be a little better, but that we've not seen. I have not seen at least, so I'll not comment on that. But terrain is similar.
Terrain is similar.
Yeah, it's mountainous.
Okay, so you have seen the Brahmaputra coming.
Yeah,
कहते हैं शेर है वहाँ का.
yes.
Shape
That's
किया
so
जाता है.
in Assam as well.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
But do you heard the stories also या आपका कोई याद है कि ब्रह्मपुत्र में गिर गया हो? कि वहाँ सुनने में जो हम ज्योग्राफी पढ़ते हैं ना तो हम एक्चुअली पढ़ते हैं.
No,
अच्छा.
not in my knowledge.
That's good thing. Okay, so पर again मैम एक जो सवाल मैंने आपको कहना शुरू किया, border posting always give a life lesson. वहाँ पर कोई life lesson था सच?
बहुत सारे.
क्या? ये तो जानना चाहता हूँ देश.
हाँ. I would say I think I started to learn how to deal with my emotions without having any support.
What was
And
it?
when I say that, any emotion I'm saying, you know, sometimes all this story that I'm telling you, imagine living them as a youngster who's 23, 24 year old.
Hmm.
It gets overwhelming sometimes. घर जाके call भी नहीं कर सकते हो. Why do you want to, you know, like make your parents or family tense? So, I think I picked up a very important lesson in life of how to be your own support system and be your own cheerleader. Because especially like in Assam,
Hmm.
in Srinagar, there were some deaths. I was the only woman officer. I'm not saying it's a matter of pride. I am an officer. That's my job,
Ah.
and I was very, very honored to do my job. But once you come back home, you're also a human being.
Hmm.
You're also a woman,
Hmm.
right? So those feelings, I think I started dealing with my own self very, very maturely. And that's how this book also comes into picture, because I started journaling there.
Then you started journaling.
That's when I started. Anything nice that I've gone through, anything tough that we saw on that day, but what I took back in a storytelling form, in a, you know, true anecdote form, I used to write in my diary. So that was firstly one of my way of venting out my emotions. कि वो bottle up ना रह जाए. And also, I think it became my, you know, like my best friend
Ma'am,
at that point of
okay,
time.
but you are hiding so many stories. That's a मतलब वो तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है. पहले मैंने आपसे सवाल पूछा था कि what is the toughest night of your अरुणाचल प्रदेश. आप में कोई toughest नहीं है. That means you become a cheerleader.
No. When we lost our men, I remember that because those bodies had come to our unit. I still have that photo which my commanding officer saluting the last salute.
Are they that bad like Srinagar?
No, but loss
That
of
is
life
bad.
is loss of life. You've lost a man, so it's never pleasant. It's not a comparison. It's just you've lost somebody. So that hits you harder, I think. So I would call that one of the toughest nights.
Okay. One more thing. In the entire army, I think 8 years you have told. Identity shift हो चुकी थी. You are still emotionally, you know how to deal with it. But how exactly identity shift? What the मतलब lessons of the life has already अब तक क्या दे दिए थे?
8 years तक तो I think maybe I was not aware of the capability that I have myself.
Hmm.
You know, till now, see, it's a very different thing when you train.
हाँ.
Firstly, you're with so many course mates.
Hmm.
There are instructors.
Hmm.
There are ustads who are teaching you how to do things when you've done it wrongly.
हाँ.
But once you step as an officer in postings, there's nobody coming to save you like that. So what you do is not only deciding your future course,
Hmm.
but also the troops who are, you know, who you're leading.
Okay. But when you start writing this book, मतलब journaling, correcting, तो ये तब book perspective में नहीं होगी.
Not at all.
Okay. So what you were writing that time? मतलब ये book obviously काफी लोग पढ़ेंगे, but can you tell one of the story from this book या उस journal से आप कुछ बता सको?
Okay. उस जर्नल में आई थिंक वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट स्टोरीज दैट आई रोट, अब उसका टाइटल हो गया है अ वॉक इन द रेन,
अच्छा, second chapter.
सेकंड चैप्टर.
Yes.
So this was Assam. I was the only woman officer. उस टाइम की बात है ये.
हाँ.
Every year around 15 or 20 days were allotted to the troops to bring their families. ये उस टाइम का मतलब रूल था हमारे GOC साहब का. So I had 10 or 12 troops with me and उनकी फैमिली आई थी, 2 जनों की फैमिली आई थी.
Okay.
So I was in my evening walk, पूरा काम वाम करके I used to walk back to my home. So on that phone I overheard a lady talk that आज आपके लिए गाजर का हलवा बनाया. I don't know who she's talking to. I just overheard because I walked past her.
Okay.
So, and it is just that I think I absorbed that emotion that she was speaking with, that sweetness in her voice, that concern in her voice. So I was assuming that maybe she's speaking to one of the loved ones, right? So उस पे ये story लिखी है मैंने कि it's nothing to do with army, it's to do with women. Like what a beautiful creation of God, right? Like how they are genuinely the creation that is taking care, that speaks of grace, courage. जो भी हो, जहां पे भी होगा बंदा, just the very thought of कि मैंने आपके लिए गाजर का हलवा बनाया. So I just assume that there will be this sweet, you know, intention of that conversation of hers, and then I connected with whatever I know about women and their strength and their
क्या 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 महसूस हुई आपको उस टाइम एज वुमेन?
मुझे तो ये लगा कि एक तो आई वाज ऑल अलोन देयर,
हाँ.
I myself was telling myself that you're doing a good job. So again, I'm also a woman after all, right? So one thing was that. Second thing was I remember how my mother has taken care of us when my father was not there. In his absence. Second is my sister. She's my elder sister, one of my first best friends, I would say. Another, I think, epitome of strength as well as grace.
So what strength you realize a woman have?
एक हो तो बताऊं.
10 बता दो आप.
I think I'm not a feminist. I'll be very honest. I'm not a feminist. I don't like to be a chauvinist. Females are the best. But notwithstanding that, after having been, known men as well as women, I genuinely feel that, if God thought while creating women, He would have thought that ऐसा कुछ बनाते हैं जिसमें सौम्यता हो, जिसमें शक्ति हो, an amalgamation of a beautiful creation which has care, concern. At the same time, when time requires and situation asks you to be, you will be the fiercest of warrior. So I think that itself is something like I genuinely admire about women, despite being a woman, I'm saying. Because I have seen many, not just in the army, outside of it. There are mothers, there are sisters, there are ladies who are dealing with I don't know how many multitasks. But they do it so beautifully and keeping those emotions alive in everything that they do. So that is very wonderful.
Is there anything for women is extremely difficult? You realize कुछ तो होगा. इंसान मेरे लिए तो है being a man.
Okay. मुझे लगता नहीं क्योंकि मतलब in my opinion there could be different things for different people, but
Okay.
I think ठीक है, सब कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, on दादाजी you have 2 chapters. So what treasure you keep? ऐसी क्या कहानी है आपके पास? वो तो फौज में भी नहीं थे.
बट फौजी तो
यूनिफॉर्म.
यूनिफॉर्म कोई भी पहनो.
ऐसी क्या कहानी है आपके पास? मतलब ऐसा लगता है पापा से आप दादाजी के साथ रही हैं.
Yes. Not रहे हैं, but yes, I'm close to him because firstly, I think I have imbibed a lot of similar interests from him, whether it is photography, whether it is writing, whether it is, his hobby of treasuring. Like he has kept stamps, coins, newspaper cuttings of 1932, 34, and I own them now. Me and my sister have shared that treasure of his. So what I'm saying is, I think it is more of the similar passions, the kind of stories he used to tell us, the kind of, एक होता है ना जैसे like when you look up to some elderly, कि यार ज्ञान का सागर, like I think he knows it all.
क्या ज्ञान कैसे करता
है ना, मतलब you can talk to him about Swami Vivekananda to the start point, which is point. Like he told me one thing which I still remember, that we might think that a dot is a very petty thing, but if you start to do anything, you start with that dot. You understand? If I have to write my name, you start with a dot. So don't think yourself to be a petty person any day. Even if you think that I'm a petty cadet, what can I do?
मैं क्या करूं?
Do your training well. You will be a mighty warrior someday. So I cannot.
मैं समझ गया आपकी.
है ना? So वो, I think he was a great storyteller. Firstly,
अच्छा.
secondly, like I said, the fondness होता है ना, like Dadaji, and so I think I was pretty close to him because of the similarities, and we used to think alike. Even when I was in my postings, whenever time permitted, I used to video call him and just show a little bit of, this is my office, and this is what I'm doing. So that sense of pride that you're the one who's carrying on what we left behind. I think that is a.
You also sit in the same office in which your father has sit.
Yes.
वो क्या कहानी है?
So firstly, first unit, Binjan, Assam. My father's first unit was also same. Luckily, or I think the infrastructure in army is so amazing that it stays for a very, very long time.
Okay.
बहुत कुछ similar था.
अच्छा.
Especially when I told my dad, this is the mess, this is your office, it was still similar. Of course, थोड़ा upgradation हुआ था. But the chair that I sat on, that he sat on, was the Arunachal posting along compo platoon, that supply platoon. So I think 18 or 17 years back, he sat on the same chair.
आपको कैसे पता लगा?
अरे, because we talk about our postings ना.
अच्छा
It is exactly the same date.
अच्छा
पीछे बोर्ड में every time a commanding officer or officer commanding sirs,
हाँ
the names are written
ओके
2022 to 2024
अच्छा
जो dash. तो उसमें पापा का नाम भी था. I was there only for 3 months
हाँ.
because of I was relieving somebody, but notwithstanding that, I'm saying I was in the same chair. That's when I sent him that board wala photo
अच्छा
that I'm right here where you had left it.
वाओ तो फिर वीडियो कॉल पे दिखाया होगा आपने तो?
हाँ, definitely.
What is his word?
He knew I was going to along,
अच्छा
but he did not expect the office same ही होगा. Like ये तो change ही हुआ types, you know. So he was like, how fantastic is that? So that was a pleasant surprise.
वो पोस्टिंग बहुत ही खूबसूरत होगी.
Yes, no doubt.
और अच्छा आपके माँ का रिएक्शन क्या था when you were the first man in your family to join armed forces ना?
A woman, yes.
What's your mother reaction?
My mother is another warrior. She like a stud. Firstly, let me tell you about her. She's a master's in physical education, which is a very rare thing के ज़माने पे.
हाँ.
So she was like a tomboy stud. अगर कोई उनको फौज में भेज देता, I think she would have done equally well. So she was never worried.
अच्छा
Being very honest, मन में होता होगा fear, but otherwise overall I know that she's always been like so supportive कि अच्छा करो जो करो. So no negative reaction from her or fearful reaction.
whom you told the first कि मेरे को फौज ज्वाइन करनी है? फादर या मदर? Obviously मदर होंगी, पापा तो पोस्टिंग पे होंगे.
And इतना भी याद नहीं है मुझे, but I think we would have had a family discussion.
अच्छा everyone's going चलो हाँ चलो करो करो करो.
Yeah.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much time for your lovely time.
Thank you so much. It was great speaking to you.
Thank you. Same here.
Thank you.
Okay.
मैं उनको रोज सोचता हूँ, मैं उनको रोज सोचता हूँ, वो है अंतिम पगों